This is a little 42-inch builder grade ceiling fan I got. I think it's a CEI or something like that. It's got a really cool light kit on it. This was a flood cleanup find. Looks like it was installed in someone's kitchen or something. It had a lot of cooking grease on it, but I got it all off. Thing's got a really nice light kit on it, but I'm going to take it off and put it on my bedroom ceiling fan, and I'm going to put a schoolhouse light kit on this thing. And then it's going to go at the top of my aunt's stairs, because it would be a really good spot for a ceiling fan. And there's not one there, and there never has been. And I was thinking about putting up my SMC Laguna there, but then it broke. So now this is the next best candidate for that. Plus it's a pretty good looking fan, and I have some stencil blades I could put on it instead of these plain old brown blades. So then it'll really look good when it's got stencil blades on it. I think it ought to be a really cool looking ceiling fan. Feels a bit different. I kind of had to use my iPhone this time because the battery in my camera kind of got screwed up and it only works when it's on the charger. Anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.